Some people I have two live where I go share with you see. So Rosealee, she come give her 2 cents on the World Dog and Rosealee situation. You know what I mean? She talk she make a couple good points still. And the next one is TJ 6K TV, because right now it look like see a different level of beef in our war. I go start with TJ and 6K TV because TJ sent a serious warning to 6K TV. You see me I say? So we go check out Rosealee side first, and then we check out 6K TV and TJ, because I go over 6K TV live and based upon what TJ say, 6K TV like him mood change, him whole entire mood change. So I could talk about the World Dog situation. So people, let me tell you something, man. You see, once you see a person I do a thing and you run in upon them and beg them help, you know what I mean? That person don't look upon you as a man, you know. You see me I say, that person look upon you as them boy. You know what I mean? Because Rosealee, him did a do him like a comedy thing, but him want to reach up in the top ranks. You know what I mean? Him want to get recognized. Him want to in the big league. You see me I say? And him see World Dog as the person who do it. You know what I mean? Him slide in a World Dog DM, and you know what I mean, him tell him how much him rate World Dog, and if you know what Rosealee, you know how the story go. So make we listen to Rosealee and hear what she has say about the whole thing.
Them would have been nice and dandy if you guys never go over and interrupt the typing. Why can't you all see you guys with that you did it wrong? I want to do it wrong. And then when him come and say something, you go hear, him toxic. And I want thing, Rosealee never pick up for himself yet. I really like I want to bad-minded boy. All of them is something there. How can I bad-mind my friend when I am the one that told you come live? Or can you bad-mind your friend when world like I don't want to come live? Remember I want to tear them down. Remember I want to tear down all Rosealee. When them start play with people them.
Start play with Quiet Perry them.
Him a batty man. Remember that you no do.
True.
Well I not do it. I don't care what he wants to be, Fifi. I don't care what none of them wants to be. When una try to solve a problem, look between what is a problem. So you solve the fucking problem. Don't come out and say, in bad mind, catch the boy get an award. They are both invited. We don't know what was the consequences that World Dog couldn't reach there. You understand? And if him say, my son a grow, he's proud. Una like fake friendship. Bad energy. Enough for you all on this app is that's what it is. Fake energy, bad energy. And I like to criticize and bring down too much. And I don't say una the bomber rascal problem. Cause nobody asks any question. We are all different people. I will over here long enough until when I want to bomber will just come fuck with me head. Yes, so. And the life cannot work without right here, so. Cause most of y'all come just for the entertainment, right here, so. I will over here long enough to want to fuck with me head in your so. That is all I'm saying. The comment section should not allow him tearing down him for it to run, so somebody can go over there and screenshot it, so we can say, I get it in my phone, I have it. I have a lot of y'all, rubbishes in my phone. I know. I have a lot of y'all rubbishes in my phone. I get it over IG, tear me down, comment section. When me I play with me no want to call him name. No rub me over there. Rub me. I want me to rub me, rub me. And that is the problem where I will not. Tell me says about my leave him friendship alone. Because what? You cure all in the comment section and rub me blood clot out. The moderators sit there and sit run so a person can automatically jump in it and just start to search and can.
A reality is still people, you know what I mean? Me up on Lee live already and my Rosealee a play. And the people them a deal with Rosealee terribly in the comment section. You know what I mean? So a Lee, she really attack. But you see World Dawg and Rosealee situation, me I watch a live, you know what I mean? And the person them up on the live I say Rosealee him sneaking bad. You know what I mean? Is a youth where him know same team don't like World Dawg and him don't address it. Me hear World Dawg say Rosealee put him gifter over him and it hurt World Dawg because World Dawg even say after a while it becomes more than money, it becomes more than friendship, it becomes real genuine love. But I do feel like World Dawg have a role when play in a Rosealee doing what Rosealee is doing right now. Him kind of push Rosealee away. And Rosealee team don't like World Dawg so much that them push Rosealee to be greater than World Dawg because them know say it a go affect World Dawg in a way. I mean I go say bad mind Rosealee, but him a see say the person where him help because him are the big dog. Him makes Rosealee reach where him there. He kinda look away if he say, yo, him a pass him out. You know what I mean? He look away.
The moderators sit there and sit run so a person can automatically jump in it and just start to search and can screenshot. So you know rate me now your moderator them. The comment don't need to be like off. Block them. When you start to block them, they will stop. Cause me want watch your live, So me not talk too much. Is that's why over here stay so. Cause most of y'all I want to eat me like pies and still want to watch me. So when I see blocking start on the stop, I remember a time I went live with Brit. I want to look how much the people start swarm over there. I bring down the girl, I want when them realize say 8, 9, 10, 11, everybody does get black on me, them stop. Quick time. The slaughtering stop. Because I want to watch you, so I will not say much. I want to stop it. I want to know how to do these things. People have a right to your opinion. People have a right to their opinion. People have the right to their opinion, but people have a right to mind your own fucking business as well. We're on the app to entertain you guys, not dog eat dog. Why you want to mash up a friendship like that?
Comment section is the devil.
Me not pick up for nobody. But I can see where he's coming from.
Real, Rosealee.
Roger had the same problem one at a time.
Rosealee allow the people them to disrespect World Dawg and him don't say nothing to them. Because me I tell you now, nobody can go over World Dawg live, go this Rosealee. Right away them get blocked. And him address it. You know what I mean?
The commissioner terror he's coming from. Roger had the same problem one at a time. He said that I'm very sorry your comment trying to tear my blood clot down. Nobody likes that. Why comments trying to be tearing down people and now blood clot realize that uno are the problem. Uno are mash up people. Uno! Royal Dawg's not the problem. Switzerland's not the problem. Uno! Not to bomb a blood clot enough. A majority of uno we are type on a class would never tap the screen. We not tap it. We not tap about GIF. We not tap the screen. They are friends. And you know from a taller time that Royal Dawg talk with a big strong voice. I'm not a soft friend. Me dey on live already and see Royal Dawg still don't reason with Switzerland. I listen to him and say, Swiss is a more listener. Royal Dawg with a more people just express how him feel. Just because he's loud like me. Why you don't want good for your friend? You have to stop it. In bad mind him this because Switzerland get the award. On the contrary, I don't know if the award came with money.
No.
But if Royal Dawg no bad mind Switzerland for ranking, me no feel say I go bad mind him for award.
You made me feel away about
just the blood clot throat.
Me don't think no bad mind.
If him no bad mind him for ranking where you make money, why the fuck is gonna bad mind him for a piece of plaque? Why? When they were both called there and he never went. Circumstance we don't know what it might be. We have to stop it. We have to tear down World and me not to lie. And that's how we do me. Last time I come out talk about ranking and people them greedy and we talk on this. When I come out last time I talk about ranking and the people them greedy. That's how we do me. Until it all fade away, it all played out. Stop mash up people. They all want a big bomber ass clad people. No child is here. Cause no child can build a TikTok account. Cause you have to put in email. And no child can own a phone. All of you are big fucking people and it's very disgusting. No worse than me to blood clot. Cause I'm a Gemini. If you don't step on my toe, you won't hear me even up my mouth to you. That is me. You don't mind in a bomber rascal business. And then it's very wicked. Wicked as fuck.
Comment section.
Me not pick up for none.
For real.
I am not part of X-Gang. I am not a part of Team Bless. I am Dream Team President and I have a lot of CEOs.
But
when due to Caesar,
Yo.
give it to it.
Sure. Sicily Royal Dawg respect and loyalty. Big one thing.
Royal Dawg come out with a lot of arguments and I have never spoken about one. The only reason why I'm speaking about this because this is the problem that I have. Comment section. Tear you down.
Tear you down. No.
You know if you go on to one look comment.
Dawg have to control him comment section. You see me I say Sicily have to control him comment section.
And a long time they want to come talk, all of them stop me there.
Speak out. Black people. You know what I mean? Because Royal Dawg having people them all both and them a watch. You know what I mean? Because them know how Team Bless is.
Cause it.
I know for the people them join Team Bless because them not like Royal Dawg. You see me I say and other people not like Royal Dawg go.
And the same to Britney.
You need to block the people and mute them and talk up out their mouth say yo no disrespect to Royal Dawg now gonna be tolerated.
And carry on and do all of the things them. And melt him like butter against sun. I don't pick up for none of them. Uno the problem. And them say one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. Exactly. And he has feelings as well. Because everyone the over theme comment section are about Rosealee. Rosealee would actually feel just the same. But through him not gonna just come him as a person who say, boy. Him will talk and just put as a figure kind of want. Him no want come out, come say nothing. Him is a quiet person. And everybody and every individual can be quiet. Some people can be very loud. Some people will speak on their mind. Some people will just talk and let it go. Some people will hold it and let it go. Everybody cannot be the same. And if you all were over at World Dog Life bringing down blood clots Rosealee, and him see it, but I feel just the blood clots him. Want to stop it.
People may feel like say, you see, what World Dog doing at the past and go at Rosealee, you know what I mean, and cuss him because of certain things, me feel like say that brings some resentment towards World Dog from Rosealee, and Rosealee team not like World Dog. So him can, you know what I mean, no say yo, him and Rosealee rate each other, and Rosealee team don't like him, and Rosealee don't address him team and make them know say yo, if I never this man move the reach where me reach, you know what I mean? Some of the time you have to stand up, you know what I mean? Although Rosealee, him no want lose him supporters them. You understand? But you have to stand up. If you see certain things that go on upon your life where the people them are commenting at the comment section and at this World Dog, just make them know say, yo, mute anybody who are this World Dog or block them, because somebody are go tell World Dog say people are this him over your life. You know what I mean? Rosealee, you have to remember where you come from, my dog. You know what I mean? I remember say this man help you out when you dad Jamaica. So you have to show him a level of respect, even though him loud and people not like him and all these things. But remember where you come from, dog.
Add the comment. Don't say it's not the comment, it's not, it's Rosealee not defending it. I wanna start it. I wanna start it. Without Uno there a type, there wouldn't be a conflict for him to get screenshot in his phone. I wanna start it, I know for stop it. I wanna start it. Me not pick up for nobody. Come on, come on, over talk about Rosealee bad because she pick her side. Come on, no wicked. Me not pick up for nobody, you know for stop it. Uno for stop it. Uno for stop it.
As Rosealee, if you block and mute them.
Look like some of the blood clot bloggers and commentators now really have nothing to do. I know you're known for stop it. Rest people comment section. Like how one girl I get must about 50 at ya so. Rest people comment section.
Real. People them go where they
Rest
start
it.
problem. But Swiss have to see that and address it. You know what I mean? Mute and block, because we know say for anything else you would have mute your moderator or mute and block.
Rest it. I don't know about pick no side. Wanna tear down people too much. And I believe that that's why I say that's why I always say you guys, some of you guys are wicked. Because how can you on a live watching a people daily, monthly, weekly, and then when the comment section, when on over there answer certain things in our comment section, wanna steer there and wanna tear down the person. And most of y'all with the World Dog Live long blood clot time. Me not pick up for none. Who know the wicked? Who know the blood clot wicked? Me nah pick up for none. I am not a part of X-Can. I am not a part of Team Bless. I am Dream Team President. I have a lot of CEOs. But let me tell you this, people. Today, I'm going to tell you now. The reason why I came out and I'm speaking my mind on this one. I'm going to do me the same thing. You know, like a rest comment section. I regular me a verse with people not going to tear me down. Regular. Me a verse with people and over here when I come from, just to sound wicked. Over here when I sit down all long. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Sometimes I tell myself, I don't know where I do. To the dead, that's a living is against me. When sit down here long enough. And as me start verse, no murder me. And the person on the opposite side, see them here? See them here? See them here? Me say, burn me a fuck. I never saw some hurt me so. Why would a moderator sit and let the comment section run? Can't at me so. Me rather black someone who. Not care one who can't give me come off. Respect who me I play with. Me see me over here play with Chippy, I will say it again. One girl come type. Then Chippy skin bossy, me just black her. I know me not my blood clot mouth to her. Respect who me I play with. And you don't know who the fuck I watch. You know wicked. And when I allow you guys to do these things, it's like me alone to tear down the person. Nobody likes that. Why can't you see what he's saying? Me not pick up for none. They're my friend. They're my friend. Remember when I see man tear down blood clots Swiftly when that play pair them, but Batman story, the boy said, boy, you know, so I come off of the app. I go give the app a break. Where one day when him come out, come say, you know, it's a real dog. Make me do this. Make me keep on and do this. One with blood clot on our blood clot wicked. Oh no, most of y'all are fucking on the television a rose. Turn a wicked. Some of the phone have not send it. Cause no wicked. Want to stop it. Stop it. I don't know stop. I don't know stop. Rest the people in Bomber. I have the same problem. Rest my Bomber rascal comment section. I don't want to hear nothing about no one. When I come on TikTok, I taps and roses me I talk about.
The moderator them for
not because he's loud and bagga and annoying like me. You can't look into what he's saying.
Moderator them for work. Because the people who are playing
only a friend will take a time to sit and talk to you like his own. I don't know if I no loyalty. No found no fucking loyalty. And a lot of people take friendship serious. A lot of people take friendship serious. What only they when him song on a reason with blood clots Swiftly? Who the fuck bad man over one blood clot plaque? Who stupid? Who stupid? Who the fuck bad man someone ever want plaque? Who stupid? Who stupid blood clot pit? Stupid. Look what money upon blood clot ranking. Especially 1, 2, and 3. Up there the money blood clot there. Money there upon plaque. You too fucking fool. You wicked. Stop tear down people. Stop. That's why I'm glad me have some moderator will say eye to eye. Me all over here someone right hard kiss on a blood clot teeth. Look for me good. It's not a boss and it's not a hype. Respect me. I take my time out to come here and sit here. I want my ass tired. Sometimes I'm tired to blood come if I lie down, come back. Respect me. I can't be having a conversation and talking kiss my teeth. Why? If you don't want to hear what I'm saying, leave. I want to kiss no teeth. You have some other just black or no. We don't care when the time I live want be. We don't give a fuck. We're not partial nobody. Not because you can send me a lion. Not because I am a beggar and you can send me a lion. You're supposed to disrespect me. Not because I am a beggar and you can send me a lion. You're supposed to disrespect me. Me no work them the way them love. Yeah, me no work them the way they. No, me no work so. Lift up, leave. Anytime I see someone come out with World Dog, on the highway, I don't know what wrong with that boy there, so but me if I advise him go take some lime and blue or something. I always murder him too
Take a
much,
wash
man.
off World Dog.
Nobody can one day come and say, boy, World Dog will see what you say still. However you do it, whenever we see what you're saying. Because it has to be a reason for him to say something. It has to be a reason why all we all say something. Why can't we talk how we feel as human beings? Why it have to always be you're bully and him why? So Switzerland them own big man. They are friends. Why you all matching up friendship over fuckery?
For real. But the
Because
moderator,
if
them need
Switzerland
for
never say World Dog bad mind, then why him a fear him why him not see it now? He never see that back then, you know. Back then he not bad mind, but him bad mind now. How comes why? If a bad mind long time. You guys talk rubbish. If you're bad mind long time, why you want bad mind now? Why you want a bad mind now? You guys are stupid. And Mr. Last night I sit and I read and I say, oh my God. I saw no do me. Yeah. Because through me chat too much and someone don't like when I chat. Because I'm needle out and pencil no for one of the table of cloth. And see one just as the dark shit know I want the blood clot where I heel and booty. Me know drunk when me see it. Because through me a drunk crow. Yeah. Why can't he express how he feels? A regular, one day and see him still not gonna talk to him like a man. He's structured as a man. When I come and say, why sweet sleep, baby? I'm glad for you. I'm glad for you, my son. As a man. Should.
Rosalie talk some good things, you know what I mean? She touched some good points. You see me, I said the comment section are the devil. You see it, but what Switzerland need for do are the moderators them need for do. Because not all the time the person who play the match I go see the comments. Right? Because a match them did a play when all of this go on. Switzerland for making people them know say, yo, you can't see people are disrespect World Dog and you make that slide. You know what I mean? Because Switzerland people them not like World Dog. So them we see certain disrespect towards World Dog and them now go mute the people them because them agree. You see me I say Switzerland them have them chat, you know. You know what I mean? Him have a chat with him moderator them and him gifters them. I mean no say them a chat in the chat with them have. You see me I say because one girl did get kicked out of the chat one at a time, you know. And she did come expose some things. But she say like Switzerland say nothing bad about World Dog, but him afraid to speak up because him don't want to lose him gifters them. You see me I say, so people who do want to do with that and make me know in the comment section, you know what I mean? Because I want to hear what you say. You see it, and we are going to move over to 6K TV and TJ because, boy, it look like say TJ still angry about the ranking thing and him even more angry because him plan a match and play a match on the day when the ranking are cut off and 6K TV them still pass him and go number one. You know what I mean? So him sister them not like him and them not with him. So him have some things we say. It's a short video still, so you know hear what him have to say. Jaja, boy, I'm telling the people this TikTok thing, yeah. Chano.
No, I'm not terrible, but him over there, show him look shade them same way. Look how notice somebody have one look freestyle in the guys and I say, yo, I want to drop the freestyle and I say, no, don't drop it because it's going to cause problem. I'm listening to Maya because I really want the whole bad vibes done. I want it done for true, but them it's still a true little shade, bro. Like, alright. You choose your side and thing, you just keep it that way, that will move on. But you have force me, dog. Me tell you, you know, I mean I want to get him in trouble, you know. And this is the last time I'm wanting to tell him, say, this is the last, you see, if you're so much utter out of your mouth, some no farmer shade 6, I'm gonna make the people them know how you really stay. Seems you want to go there. Bill, brother, you know some is not a problem, man. Remember say my place are coming up and you know what time it is, you know. Bill, dog. No, I've been a bit the big. I've been a bit the bigger person. You see me? And as I say, if you're a little juvenile, if you're a young youth, I don't want to stop your food. But if you keep on provoke me, dog, I try my best to remain humble. Don't make me tell the people them how you really stay and things I know. You see me? A whole heap of little things. Don't make me tell the people them how I get that picture here. Remember, say I still have it. See you there. Don't make me tell the people them. Don't make me tell the people them 6. Bill, may I tell you that. Last time I won, you know. Bill. Alright.
People are want go on here, so. It look like say TJ have something on 6K TV. You know what I mean? And I know nothing pleasant. You see me, I say him put him on a chalk line here. Because him say if him ever utter nothing we sound shady, so 6K TV can do something without knowing say it affect TJ and TJ just, you know what I mean, expose him. Why people, you see, after TJ do this, the people them go over 6K live, including myself. You see me, I say, and 6K TV they on the live and people, it look like say him gather some information and hear where TJ say, and here says TJ put up in picture or whatever. You know what I mean? And people, the man mood change. So it look like say TJ really have some dirt on 6K TV. So me I go play a video with 6K TV, you know what I mean, and way must say because him not really say much, but he can show up on him face still. People say, boy, you know what I mean, TJ have something on him. The man go even sub only chat.
Then go my life full. I force me the life and sit down and my life so full. Someone can't give me you see people I'm in the tree over here? You can't give me a breathing space, man. I mean inhale and exhale.
Most of life him not really a set nothing, you know what I mean?
Nothing, me not talk no mix up, nothing not talk. BB Wall, thanks to the subscription. Nothing not talk.
Why people? Me not like we see what go on.
This.
You know what I mean? Me not think say one ranking, you know what I mean, one number one position should have escalate to this. And it look like say it could escalate further. You know what I mean? Because as me say, 6K TV can do something on him live and TJ just take it as same as shade him or disrespect him and then, you know what I mean, expose him or whatever. You see me I say? So this ranking thing target out
See it already, we're not follow up that team. We're not follow up that. Why? We don't follow up that team. When the people will come over here and say they in trouble, you can't move. When you pussy all and go. When you can't move, when you pussy all and go. Boy in trouble. Move on a blood clot and go. Boy in trouble. Trouble your blood clot. Trouble your pussy clot, you can't go.
So him not really address TJ and what him say still, you know what I mean? But basically just leave it alone and make it done. You know what I mean? And nobody make it escalate. Whatever TJ have to expose, get exposed and really, you know what I mean? Just leave it alone. I hear TJ say him do all a song. You know what I mean? Like him a expose 6K TV in the song. And Amaya tell him say, you know what I mean? You know. But the dog mood change. You see what I say? So it look like say TJ have something upon him. Skip the live because I don't think him say much. You know what I mean? Him not really say much.
Oh my guys.
So as I say people, him not really say much, you know what I mean? The dog draw for a cigarette and start smoke. Like him worried, you know what I mean? But I tell more nothing people. You see me I say because this ranking thing, you know what I mean, people are go at each other. Like you expect me to stop earn money because you want a position, you want a spot. You know really go so no friendship no in a competition, that are the first thing. You know what I mean? And TJ and 6K TV, TJ say them talk over the phone, you know what I mean? Them link up and all these things. So TJ maybe have him as him friend. So he must say, yo, like oh more go number one, my friend would have step aside and make me go number one. But you know what I mean? I know say it go me G. You see it because once money is involved and a man see say money I give it, him a go try grab as much as him can get. And me not think TJ for really have him up because of that. You understand? Because maybe if him did step aside for TJ get number one, TJ wouldn't get so much kind because the two of them make a thing off of it. You know what I mean? Because you have people that push TJ and you have people that push 6TV. So the competition make, you know what I mean, them people give them more. So at the end of the day, TJ him still win. Him not get number one, but him gain a lot. You understand? So I don't make me know anything, people.